Hello dear friends, my name is Dr. Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained how to fit non-linear equation of Langmuir using OriginPro. This video attracted a notable attention to the viewers, and some viewers requested me to show how to plot linear Langmuir equation using OriginPro. Therefore, today's video I would like to show you how to fit linear Langmuir equation of your adsorption isotherm data using OriginPro easily. Well, in order to do that, I have taken my equilibrium adsorption data in origin sheet. Now let us select and click plot, then select scatter the equilibrium isotherm plot. Now I would like to show you how to fit linear Langmuir equation. Linear Langmuir equation. So, linear form of Langmuir equation can be written as CE divided by UE equal to 1 by Q max into A plus CE divided by U max. So this is the linear equation of Langmuir, where CE is the equilibrium concentration, U is the amount adsorbed, and Qmax is the maximum adsorption capacity, K is the Langmuir constant. So if we compare this equation with simple C plus Mx, we see that y equal to this and intercept equal to 1 by Q max into K and slope equal to 1 by Q max. So let us write slope equal to slope equal to 1 by Q max and intercept equal to 1 by Q max into K. So now if we plot C by Q versus C, then we can expect a straight line. So in order to plot that, you need to convert C and Q to C divided by Q. So in order to do that, click plus sign, so a column will be added. Then write C by QE. Now click right button and set column values. Column C equal to column A divided by column B. So in order to do that, go to column A divided by column B. Then click apply, then OK. So here is the value of C divided by Q. Now select this and this and then go to plot, then scatter, so here is your plot of C by Q versus C. Now go to analysis, then fitting, linear fit, then open dialog. If you click yes, then the whole data will be exported. If no, then OK. So here is your parameters, where intercept equal to 2.213 and slope equal to this. Now let us take these two values in my origin sheet. So click plus sign to insert. Intercept, this is 2.223 and then click again here. This is slope is 0.094. Here we are 0.094. Now insert. So then Emax equal to 1 by Emax equal to 1 by slope. So then click right button, set column values equal to 1 divided by slope is EY. So slope column P, then apply and click OK. So here is the value of Qmax, 10.6383 milligram per gram. Then click here to insert a column, then K equal to 1 divided by Qmax into intercept. So then click right button and set column values. So 1 divided by Qmax, which is F, then into intercept, which is column D, then bracket, then apply, and then click OK. So here is the value of Langmuir constant K. So this is how you can easily fit linear equation of Langmuir using OriginPro. Thanks for watching.